But the main thing that I want to talk to you during in this talk is about the changes that have happened over the past couple of years. A couple of years ago, we had a single ERAS application where you would have your application, you would have the experiences, publications, and that was how it was a couple of years or 4 or 5 years ago. And then 2 or 3 years ago, they started with another separate application known as the supplemental application to supplement your the main application, which had areas where you could choose some geographical preferences, add additional experiences, meaningful experiences, and things like that. Okay. It also gives you the opportunity to share your geographic preferences with programs. So say you want to preferentially be in the Northeast because your family is in the Northeast, or you have a spouse or a partner or friends in the Northeast, or you have other seniors who are in different programs in the Northeast, and you want to stay in the Northeast, and you can definitely now add multiple entries. This used to be in the supplemental portion, but now it's in the regular portion. And to elaborate more on these experiences, so now you have more elaborated portion of what these experiences are.